Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to create folder and manage folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, to create a folder, first long press on any app. Okay, so here I long press this WhatsApp, second WhatsApp, and just move that second WhatsApp, and you can keep over any app. Okay, just place over any app and release. Okay, then it will be created as a folder. Okay, here you can assign any name here for your folder. Okay, so here I just write social media. Okay, and click on done. So here after this folder name is social media. Go back, you will see social media folder. Okay, if you click on it, what are all the apps that you have already added? Minimum 2 apps should be there. Okay, then only it will be creating. Okay, you can also add more apps. Click on this plus symbol to add more apps, and here I add Facebook, then Instagram, then another WhatsApp. Okay, click on done. Yes, they have been added. Okay, in this way also you can add, or otherwise just you can move particular app to the folder. Okay, just move to the particular folder where it is. Oh no, it's not coming here. I am going to place it in Google folder too. Okay. Wow. Drag and place. Yes, moved. So in this way also you can add. Suppose if you want to remove, just click and move out of the folder, and it will be out from the particular folder. Okay, see here. Okay, suppose if you want to change the color of this folder, click here and you can assign any color. See here, I am giving this color. Click on done and see the preview. So in this way you can easily create a folder, rename folder, and manage folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.